Alright, so this is Coach Gabriel Elo, and we will be talking about volleyball rotations, both serve and serve receive. So over here I just have my paint application, and I am quickly going to draw or create one side of the net. And let's change the color. Now for the video here on the right, we will be looking at 6 different positions. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I'm going to go ahead and list those over here. Number 1 is your setter. Number 2 is your outside hitter. Number 1. 3 is your middle / libero. 4 is your opposite hitter. 5 is your second middle. And 6 is your outside hitter, number 2. So over here is the service rotation number 1, which is the setter is serving first, outside is next, middle, opposite, middle, or libero, and the outside hitter number 2. So what's important here is that after you serve the ball, you are always going to go to your base positions. So for your setter, you always want your base to be right here for back row. And just about here. Alright, so this is basically your base defense. This will always be the setter or the opposite. This will always be the outside hitter. And this will always be the middle or the libero. Over here, it's always going to be the middle, setter or opposite, and the outside hitter. Let's label this. Oppo, setter, outside hitter, middle, So it's important to see that the back row players are lined up like this. The front row players are lined up this way. So the middle is obviously always on the middle. Outside hitter, always on the left when they are front row. The opposite and the setter always stay on the right side. So let's take a look at this. Okay. So this is when the setter is serving. As you notice, as the ball goes over the net, they go to base defense. So if you see that again, setter goes here. Number 2, which is the outside hitter, and number 4, which is the opposite, will switch. There you have it. And now we're going to look at row 2. As you can see, the outside hitter is serving now. The setter can stay here. The libero, this is now the middle. This is now the opposite, and this is now the other outside hitter. So once the ball is served, the players go back to switch. Let's see that again. Very quickly. One more time. There you go. And this goes on for row 3. Every person goes back. So they always go back to base defense. This is for the opposite hitter serving. Now the setter is front row. And just like I said, it will always go to the right side. Setters and opposites always go to the right side. And this is row 6. And those are your service rotations.